Alright, I'm recording the flooding from this crazy downpour we're having. I'm not even going fast. Look at that street. These homes are beautiful. Multi-million-dollar homes. This is the main line of Pennsylvania, Lower Marion. This jerk-off's gonna spray me. It's not even raining that hard right now, but it was. Trees. It's like a river, and this dude's flying down it. Jeez Louise. Got my wave runner out. Whoop! I'm soaking wet. Not much to really see. Yeah, that house, they got a fucking basketball court. And their shit's all flooded out. I'm out by Haverford College. Look at this beautiful crib right here. And I got my four-wheel drive on just because, why not? Might as well. Speed demon with the WRX in front of me. Driving fast, but with his hazards on. That's smart. Let's see what he does here. And it's a game.